This is Anthony from Carpet Tiles1 and welcome back to another product video. Today I'll be showing you Petal 18. Of course, these tiles are commercial grade with PVC backing and are selling for $20 a square meter including GST. If you would like to see this carpet tile in the flesh, please come and visit our warehouse at 3 to 9 Cook Road, Marrickville. If you would like a sample of this carpet tile, please email or call us and we will send it to you free of charge.
Thank you for watching the product video on this item. We film every new product that comes along, update of existing products and product specials. If you want to see more of these videos, please click here, which will take you directly to our YouTube channel. Otherwise, click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Any questions, call us, email us.